Hello everybody, Namaskar and welcome to my channel. Palak Paneer is a popular dish in India. Palak is spinach in Hindi and paneer is cottage cheese. So it's a dish where the cottage cheese is cooked in a spinach gravy. Today I will show you how to make this dish, but I used tofu instead of paneer to keep it totally vegan. So let's cook Palak Tofu today. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button below, as I need your support to bring forth more recipes for you. Now I am using the firm variety of tofu. Always remember to choose a firm variety for this recipe. Tofu comes in packages like this where I live, and it is totally submerged in water. Discard the water, wash it with some fresh water, and then wrap the tofu in paper towels to soak up that extra water. Leave it like this for about 5 minutes. I have cut the tofu into large cubes like this. To it, add half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and a teaspoon of lemon or lime juice. Shake the bowl to mix. Tofu doesn't have much flavor on its own, so little bit of marination brightens up its flavor. Let it marinate for about 10 minutes. If you are using paneer, then you can skip this marination step and the other steps will all be the same. In the meantime, I boiled a pot of water. Now I have taken a bunch of spinach, roughly chopped it, washed it very well and added it to the boiling water. I have given all the ingredient proportions in the description box below, so please check out for that. To this I added 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. That little bit of turmeric powder brightens up the green color of the spinach, so I always add it. Now as soon as the spinach comes up to a boil, just let it boil for 2 minutes only. You have to be very particular here about not allowing the spinach to boil for more than 2 minutes, or else it will turn dark and it will lose its lovely green color. At the same time, always remember not to cover the pan, as that may also turn the spinach dark. After 2 minutes, take out the spinach and immediately submerge them in ice cold water. This helps to maintain that lovely green color. Let it sit in the cold water for a minute or so. After that, drain the water. Now put the drained spinach in a blender. To it, add some washed coriander leaves along with the stalks. I always add coriander leaves in this preparation because it gives a nice flavor to the gravy. After that, blend everything to a fine paste like this. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on high heat. I always use mustard oil for this recipe as I love mustard oil. But you can surely use any oil of your choice. Mustard oil is very commonly used for cooking in West Bengal, which is a region in the eastern part of India, and I am a great fan of this gorgeous looking flavorful oil. While the oil is heating up, I sliced 1 onion. Now my oil is smoking, so I reduced the heat to medium and added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When the seeds start crackling, add the sliced onions. Stir them on medium heat. In the meantime, I chopped about 20 cloves of garlic. A lot of garlic is needed for this recipe as it gives a nice flavor to the spinach. When the onions turn a bit pale in color and they turn soft, add the chopped garlic and stir. Then I added 1 chopped green chili. You can leave this out if you don't want your curry to be spicy. And again stir to the point when the garlic turns a little brown. Then chop 2 small tomatoes and add it. Now increase the heat and stir the tomatoes till they turn soft and mushy. After a minute or so, my tomatoes turned soft. Now reduce the heat to medium and add only 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and immediately add a splash of water so that the spices don't burn. Then stir to mix and now add the tofu. and stir very gently so that the tofu gets coated by the spices. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, and then comes the lovely green spinach coriander leaf paste. Then I added about half a cup of water to my blender jar to get that last bit of the beautiful paste. Stir everything gently. Remember not to cover the pan. This whole recipe needs to be done in an open pan to retain the green color of the spinach. At the same time, after adding the spinach paste, do not cook for a long time. As soon as it comes up to a boil, add half teaspoon of sugar and finally sprinkle about 2 teaspoons of lemon or lime juice. Give a final mix and immediately switch off the stove because the more you cook the gravy, it will lose its green color and we don't want that. The soft tofu along with the delicious green spinach gravy and a subtle taste of those coriander leaves really makes this dish very delicious. The ingredient proportions are all given in the description box below. This palak tofu curry tastes really well with rice or roti. So please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do not forget to subscribe as I need your support to bring forth more recipes for you. Write to me in the comment section below, and if you want me to cook any particular recipe then please let me know. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We'll come back again next week with another recipe. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.